Hi there, I'm back. This is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Tonight, we're going to talk about the top 5 money beliefs that make people poor. O sige, wag na natin patagalin. Let us get right into it. Marami tayong mga pinapaniwalaan sa buhay that really makes us really poor. Alam mo, I always tell people, money is not the problem eh. Oo, sa totoo lang, yung the lack of money, hindi yan talagang problema. But there are so many money beliefs that really prevents us from really achieving the dreams that we want in life. So, number one problem, they always say, I can never be rich because I am poor. Name me one person na talagang pinanganak na mayaman kaya siya lalong yumaman. No, karamihan ng mga success stories na naririnig po natin, they also came from humble beginnings. Nag-umpisa talaga sa wala. Name a few, like for example, Mr. Henry C. came from nothing. Bill Gates also came from nothing, di ba? He started his own business from the garage, di ba? Another person, I also believe si Lucio Tan also came from nothing, di ba? Ika nga nagtrabaho muna sa factory yan bago talagang yumaman yan. So makikita mo talaga, huwag mong sabihin talaga hindi ka yayaman dahil mahirap ka. So number one, never prevent yourself. Never tell yourself, I can never be rich because I am poor. Number two, never ever say, I can never be rich because I never finished my schooling. I'm not saying that education is not important. I'm not saying that degree is not important. I do believe it is very important. Paano ka papasok sa trabaho kung wala kang degree? However, hindi yan ang batayan para ikaw ay maging matagumpay. Marami ring tao ng mga bilyonaryo, mga milyonaryo na nag-umpisa at wala naman tinapos. Name a few. Number one, again, si Bill Gates, never finished his college degree. Mark Zuckerberg, never finished his college degree. Another person, si Henry C., never finished his college degree. Alam mo ba, ito lang ha, yours truly who's also speaking in front of you, never finished my college degree. And I'm never proud of it. I'm never proud of it. But again, I really thank God that yung success sa buhay, tagumpay sa buhay, hindi yan nasusukat kung gaano kalaki ang iyong diploma. Nasusukat yan kung gaano ka kalaki mangarap. Kahit ang laki ng diploma mo, pero pag ikaw, hindi ka talaga naniniwala na ikaw ay yayaman, kahit may diploma ka, hindi ka yayaman. Pero kahit ikaw, wala kang diploma, pero ikaw ay naniniwala, may ginagawa ka, hindi ka naniniwala, may ginagawa ka, ay no, darating ang panahon, maniwala ka, yayaman ka. So, very important that you and I should never prevent ourselves from succeeding because you never finished schooling. Again, I'm not saying schooling is not important, but what I'm saying is what? It's not a prerequisite for success. Number 3, never ever say this, I can never be rich because I always what? Fail. One of my lodi ko talaga. Kung titignan ko, is no other than Manny Pacquiao. Yung talo niya kay Marquez, that was the worst, that was the worst knockout I can ever say, Pero, yun nga, binantayan ko siya noon. Sinabi ko, after that Marquez, can he still recover? Imagine mo the shame, na aakyat ka ulit sa ring, da baka man knockout ka ulit. Grabe yun. In other words, yun talagang, bago ka pa umakyat na ring, talunan ka na because in the mind, you are already defeated. If you're already defeated in your mind, alam mo, in everything that you do, you will also be defeated. So, very important that you got to tell yourself, you are going to succeed because it's not because that you fail, because you must learn from your failure. And next naman, another wrong belief that a person possesses that makes them poor is, I can never be rich because I do not earn enough. Nobody start from earning millions immediately. Alam mo, nag-uumpisa lahat sa maliliit na kita. So, I would suggest, don't ever say that you can never earn enough. So, you start from the small things. Practice ka muna sa maliit. Alam mo, pag nag-umpisa ka sa maliit at natuto ka, di ba, maliit ang negosyo. Buy and sell lang, online selling lang. Practice ka. Pag kumita ka, padamihin mo ulit. Pag kumita ka, padamihin mo ulit. Di ba? Pag dumadami ng pera mo, tsak na yayaman ka. And then, one last thing that you and I got to understand. Never ever believe in this lie. I can never become rich because it's so hard to save money. Sana makatch nyo to. Money not spent is money additionally earned. Hindi mo kailangan mag-sideline, hindi mo kailangan mangutang, hindi mo kailangan mag-overtime para madagdagan ang kita mo. Bawasan lang po natin ang ating paggagastos. Makakasave tayo. Alam mo, the problem is not the income. The problem is our attitude towards the income. Kasi hindi nga natin alam. So you know what? As I am about to end, alam mo, medyo namamalat na po ako. Ang tanong ko sa inyo right now, gusto nyo ba talagang matuto na maghawak ng pera? If you want to learn, you know what? I have a very special session put inside the box. I produced a tool to help people how to save, budget, get out of debt, and invest. Through this tool called Money Kit. This Money Kit will teach you 4 things. Again, saving, budgeting, getting out of debt, and invest. Alam mo, kagandahan sa loob ng tool na ito, lahat ng information nandito na. Meron na siyang savings envelope, meron siyang budgeting envelope, meron siyang investment envelope, paano mag-invest, meron siyang expenditure folders, ililista mo pag ikaw ay gumagastos. It will also teach you how to budget, tapos isusulat mo yung gastusin mo on a monthly basis. Meron pa siyang dito tinatawag na accordion. Itong accordion envelope na ito, dito mo ilalagay monthly ang iyong gastusin. Tubig, kuryente, upa. Nandito na yung tool. Meron pa siyang budgeting software inside. Itong software na ito will help you what? Automate all of your expenses. Not only that, ito pang pinakamaganda. Yung 1 whole day session ko, to teach all of this, I charge 3,500 pesos per person. Instead of charging you 3,500, I put my entire seminar already here. Naka-DVD na. So, you can watch it anytime, anywhere, any place. Okay. Ang question naman, Chinky, paano kung team abroad ako? Nasa abroad ako, can I watch it? Good news, may digital version na nito. You can have this digital version. Pwede nyo lang i-download. You can watch everything. Question, how much? The entire package for this kit. This kit is 3,499. Good news. For those people who are going to order, all of these books will be given to you for free. Libre na to. Kasama na sa 3,499. And then ito pang good news ko po sa inyo. Para sa team abroad, once you join, you don't pay 3,499. Sa team abroad, since it's a digital version, I'll give you a discount only at 2,499. And you will get also all of these ebooks for free. All you need to do, if you are interested to order this Money Kit right now and we deliver nationwide for free, all you need to do is just type the word code YES. Y-E-S. And I will send you a link where you can order. Okay? 3,499 kasama na po lahat yan. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope this session enlightened you. Don't feel trapped. Don't be trapped because of wrong beliefs in your life. You can succeed in life if you have the right mindset. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.